YOLO, right? As the kids say. I walked off just slightly, but
It's weird. It's kind of like faith. Like I'm looking ahead. I'm believing that this is going good. As soon as I started worrying,
it, that's when
I
it went.
fell off.
So from here, we're going to double tap our silver trigger a little bit, pull in some of that wire. There we go. And let's go ahead. Let's just go ahead and start it at this last little bit where it tailed off and you shot back into it. That will be the slightest little gap that you would ideally come back in and repair. And I can show you exactly what that repair is going to look like as well.
Okay. Click right about here. Back a little bit, right there.
Yes, right there's good.
Oop. So now to break it off, I do
Gas, and then just give it a quick zap and pull away. There you go.